More top pointers to boost your affiliate marketing. There are a lot of great affiliate marketing opportunities that are all over the internet these days. If you would like to enter into this money-making opportunity, knowing the tips that are in this video will give you a bit of an advantage over those without this information. Apply what you learn and you will likely succeed. When you try to make money through affiliate advertising, it is important that you stay up to date with all of the new trends and outlets to make money. Many affiliate advertising programs change, making it important that you stay on top of what is going on with the programs that are available. Using more than one affiliate program to reach the same type of consumer is a terrific way to kickstart your advertising industry. By using multiple links, you give customers more opportunities to find links that relate to their interests. Offering gifts on your affiliate website is a way of attracting visitors. The gift should be related to the merchant's product line. You may want to offer low-cost accessories subsidized by the merchant and invite the customer to purchase the main product from your retailer. You can even urge your visitors to buy the merchant's products by offering the gift after a certain number of purchases. If a marketing aspect just is not working for your company, do not be afraid to cut it off. If no one on your mailing list likes receiving newsletters, and you have noticed that many people have unsubscribed, there is no reason to continue sending them out. Simply explain to the remaining subscribers that you will no longer be continuing the letter. Following the tips that were provided to you in this video is the best way to ensure that you are not going to be wasting your valuable time trying to make something work that is bound to fail. Use these tips wisely to earn all of the extra income that you are after. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.